Hi guys, Philipp from Pink Tassel here and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today I'll be working on this beautiful large clock that's been made in Korea, and I assume they used to hang somewhere at school or library because of the size of the clock face. I must say it's the biggest clock I ever worked before, so I'm excited to begin and let's take everything apart. What can I say? The clock case in a pretty good condition, the mechanism works perfectly. There is a few spots that I have to glue together, but before that I will clean all this mess and start sanding. I decided to keep the side carved element as is because I really like them. However, the front part is not as beautiful as it could be, and at some spots the carving is not even going through. So I decided to cover it with a very thin plywood, and then I'll draw some nice ornaments. The sanding part is complete. Usually it's the dirtiest part of the project. You saw that at the very end I wiped everything with the odorless mineral spirits to make sure that there is no dirt or grease left, and now we can start priming. The primer has dried and I already started painting with a matte acrylic. I decided to begin with the off-white color. I also want to add a few red vertical stripes, maybe a little bit of gold. I don't have the final design decision yet, but I just need to begin. I finally finished painting the clock case. I'm gonna take it out to seal it with a clear finish, and meanwhile let's work on a clock face. I decided to use the original clock face. I'm just gonna add some distress moments, maybe some rust and dirt, and we will be done. All the parts are finally finished and we can start putting everything together and see what we got. The project is complete and I think I managed to transform this clock with all this patina and rust. It looks like it's been traveling with the old circus for many years. I hope you liked today's tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in my new DIY.